Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. Amma ba'd. ASIYA alayha salam was married to the biggest tyrant on earth, the Pharaoh. But it did not affect her belief in Allah. Being the wife of the most powerful king on the earth, she could have enjoyed the best of what a woman could desire. Instead, she chose submission to Allah and was subjected to the worst mental and physical torture by her husband and suffered a great deal. On the other hand, we have CLEOPATRA, a pharaoh, a woman of surpassing beauty, having irresistible charms, a power-hungry woman who ruthlessly killed several family members in order to solidify her power. Sadly, Muslim women today have forgotten the true legacy of ASIYA alayha salam and taken these pharaoh women as their role models. Dear sisters, let's take a moment and think about it. Where are we headed? Jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu fikum.